Have you ever wanted to take your Minecraft game to the next level? Well, here is an easy and simple guide to up your Minecraft game. All right, so getting things started, first thing you're going to want to do, step one, is to actually download CurseForge. CurseForge is an amazing application and app that you can have on your computer, and it will help you build these mod packs super easily. You can either download it on Overwolf or download it standalone. Personally, I'd recommend downloading it standalone. You don't really need Overwolf at all. It's not really that important. But once you do that, then you go ahead and launch it. I have mine right here. Yours will not look like this from the start, but you will see that there's a bunch of games that you can pick from. Obviously, you're going to want to click Minecraft as step 2, and that will add it to this little corner over here. And here you have the option of either browsing different mod packs, but that's not what we're here to do. We're here to create a custom mod pack. So step 3, we're going to go back to my mod packs. We're going to do create custom profile. So what you can do is you can name it something. I don't know. We'll call this my super cool mod pack. Look at that. My super cool mod pack. Then we get to select the Minecraft version that we want to do this in. I'll go ahead and just pick, I'll do the latest version of Minecraft. Why not? And then you get to select what launcher we want to use. We can use the vanilla. We can have NeoForge, Quilt, Fabric, or Forge. These are all just mod loaders. So depending on what mod loader you use will depend on what mods you're able to put into this mod pack. I'll just go ahead and do Forge. It's pretty versatile. So you can also give it a custom profile picture, but I won't do that for right now. You can though. So it's going to load on in here. And just like that, we already have the basic mod pack ready to go. Now all we have to do is add in the mods. Pretty cool. So step 5 here, we're going to go over here to this little puzzle piece right here underneath where it says play. We're going to add more content. Here is where you get to select what mods you want to put in there. You can either search for a mod that you might like, or you can go ahead and browse through whatever is popular. You can sort by featured, popularity, latest update. So we'll go ahead and search by popularity. Let's just go ahead and add a couple ones. Like let's do some sound physics. Let's do a starter kit. Why not? Let's get a little spooky here. Let's go from the fog. And let's just add in a zoom mod. Just a couple mods to get this going. So boom, there we go. We've got a couple different mods here. And then once you're done, all you have to do is hit play. Not every mod is compatible with one another. However, that's where the testing will come in. So yeah, once you're good to go, you can just go ahead and press play and look at that. You're already in Minecraft. Pretty cool, right? So that's it. That's how to create a custom mod pack in Minecraft. Have you ever created a custom Minecraft mod pack before? What's your favorite mod? Let me know down below.